Here in Eagle, Wisconsin at Paradise Springs.
We're going to go on a nature walk and bring you guys with and see whatever cool things that we see. So please subscribe to our channel so we can see more stuff like this.
On top of that, this is a place with a lot of history, folks. It used to be a bath and spring house in the 18 and 1900s. It shut down for some time for whatever reasons we're not aware. They breed trout here. It's natural spring fed.
That's our goal, is to find some trout.
And we would like to run across some beautiful rainbows in their natural setting. Hope you folks enjoy this as much as us.
You guys got to look at this stuff, dude. There's so much. It's so beautiful right here. Just look. There's a little stream coming down here. That leads into this little stream over there. You come over here, you can look at both of them. That's where the little one comes in over here. Look at the, dude, I can see the bottom like everywhere. Look at how perfectly clear this is. This is amazing. This is where people took baths at one point. This is like part of the bathhouse thing. I don't think you'd want to take a bath in there anymore. I'm gonna try to show you, but there's a Gatorade bottle down here, and it's the only piece of litter I can see in the whole place. And my goal is I'm gonna get down there and clean up the garbage, because there's a garbage can we can throw it in. And here, let me show you where the Gatorade is.
I'm sure they haven't left. They're just congregating.
This is the like area that we just saw before the dam right there, where you saw the water coming out of the waterfall. Apparently it's coming. Apparently it's coming out the wall right there. We just talked to that guy over there. He said he did see a trout. So hopefully
we might be able to get you some underwater footage.
We might be able to get a trout before the end of the day. You can see a lot of weeds and stuff like that on top of the water. But if you actually look in the water itself, it's actually crystal clear water. There probably is some trout in here. I don't know how they get here, but we're gonna try to find them, I guess. I don't know what that is over there. We're gonna go check that out next. Walking up on the old bathhouse or whatever right now.
AKA the spring house. And this is where this gentleman said our trout would be laying.
Yeah, apparently there's a trout in here, so we're gonna go film in here. There's this nice old building. There's not a roof on it anymore. But if you look, there's some metal structure up there from where there once was a roof. And inside of here, this is a natural spring that is feeding this whole water system right here. Just from the water coming out of the ground right here. And this
is all coming from the ground. This is what feeds all this.
Yep. And actually the trout have actually made it up the stream here into here. And before we did see some trout. Unfortunately, I did not get them on camera they are pretty skittish, so I can't really get the camera in the water to film them, unfortunately. But yeah, check it out. It was windows here and everything, or I don't know if they're windows or just openings. There's some really old museum. I mean, at this point, it's run down to the point where even when it was a museum, these pictures right here are old pictures, and they're run down to the point where they don't even exist. This place is just filled with springs. Look, there's just all ground right here, nothing, there's no pipes or anything like that. And you got water just bubbling out of the ground, leading into the stream. This is like an old pump house or something, you know, water would run through here. And I don't know what this all was, but pretty sure it had a water wheel on one end and some kind of pump or something on the other end. It's pretty cool. And if you look over here, there's this super old looking, looks like almost some kind of motor or something. You see pistons in there and stuff. Crankshaft. Probably was a pump. And look, you can see the bottom one of the old pistons right there. Super old machinery. Probably would work if you cleaned it. And yeah, pretty sure this is really an old pump, 3-cylinder pump. That's pretty neat.
Oh, built in the 1800s, folks.
Big old
And
flywheel and belt on this
right
thing.
There, right down there.
I'm wondering if it didn't connect right there, hey?
Absolutely, I believe it may have.
We were going to try to practice this, but we said maybe it would be entertaining not to.